Right, what's up guys, it's Chris here, back with the 9th installment of our client coding tutorial. This episode, it's more of a sum up of in-game chat commands such as dash or dot commands. What you do is open up client, source, Minecraft.src, and you want to open up entity client player MP. So I've already got it open, and then what you got to do is find send chat. And it'll take you down here, except this will be, instead of S, it'll be par1 str. And I'll just change that back right now. But what we're going to do, we're going to say string S is equal to par1 str. This just shortens it down. Now what we want to do is we're going to basically do a couple of statements. We're going to say, more fade away, if s.starts with dash help, and we're going to say add chat message 2475 help. We'll put in brackets client or whatever your name of your client is, and we can say help. And then we can do like add chat message 2472, which is green, and it will show us like a list of commands. Client and dash commands is equal or colon show list of commands. And we can do like add chat message 2472, maybe like credits or info dash info. Let's just not make that a capital, by the way. Shows client information, and we'll do another add chat. By the way, this is not send chat message, it's add chat message, so just keep that in mind when you're doing this, because if you send a chat message, it's literally going to send us to the server. Dash credits shows right, so nobody else can see it, so we need to do the same for up here. Now what we can do is we can actually make our like different things here for like commands, but instead of that we're just going to do some basic things. We're going to say, in fact, let's do the commands thing then. If s.starts with dash commands, then we're going to basically just show the command screen. Add chat message. In fact, another thing we can do is to shorten this down. We can say, done the last time, but just use add chat message. That'll work fine. Make our little display that it's 2475, and our display would be that. So that would be, this would be the command screen. Remember client, and here we can do like, we can just display all our commands. So add chat message, and we're going to do like a simple try catch statement for this tutorial, which would be like a factor that would make you teleport up a specified amount of blocks, and also how to make it so that if you type in an improper value it won't crash your game. Right, sorry I took a pause there, I don't even know where I left off, but let's just say 2472. Client, and we'll do dash up, and we'll make it like the little Minecraft syntax thing, and we'll say distance go up at specified amount of blocks. Right, what I was going to do actually, I think if we just actually add the return, like instead of making all these if statements embedded in the if s dot starts with dash, I think it should work fine. S dot starts with dash return. Although I'm pretty sure that if it starts with that, it's just going to do this first before it does any of this. But I'm sure if we move it down to the bottom, then it'll fix itself. Let's get rid of this. Reason now we've got that, we can actually implement our dash up feature. Basically, it's the same for down, except obviously just change the values. So what we're going to do is if s dot starts with dash up, what we're going to do is we're going to say okay. Has whatever they typed ended in dash up, and if so, then I want you to just go up the default amount of values, and if not, then I want you to try and split the string up and find out how high the how high up to go. So if s dot starts with if exclamation mark s dot ends with, and we're going to say dash up. So if it doesn't end in dash up, we're going to do try statement. We're going to do try, and we're going to get errors, but don't worry, I'll teach you how to do the try catch statement. We're going to say try, we're going to say string, not string, string, val, to square brackets, so we're indicating it's an array, equals s dot split, and the thing that is going to split up is the space. So it's going to find a space and it's going to split it to before the space and what's after the space. And before is stored in val 0 and after is stored in val 1, because for arrays everything likes to start at 0. Now what we're going to do is we're going to say int, let's do double double y is equal to double dot parse double. That means it's going to tell this, it's going to say, well, since it's a string, we need to actually tell it to change it into a double. So that's what that does. And then we're going to say inside the parentheses we're going to put value 1, which is the second index, which would be the number. So it's going to try and do this. Then we're going to say mc dot the player dot pause x plus equals y. Then we're going to say add chat message slash 2472 going up percent %s blocks, and then we're going to say val 1. In fact, let's just make this a string. We're going to say string ret is equal to no wait, we can't actually do that because it's actually a print line statement. We're going to say add chat message, let's just do it the hard way, going up and y and blocks. Wow, I cannot type today. So that'll do that, and then teleport the player up that amount of blocks. We're going to say, whenever we're going to do our catch statement, we're going to say, so if, let's just change that to 2472, 2472, catch, and then we're going to do exception, so that's like any exception. So if there's any exception in whatever the person typed in, then we're just going to go up a default amount of code. We're just going to say add chat message, and we're going to make this red because it's an error. 2474 can't go up. Sorry, we're going to say please enter a valid modifier / number. So this would be like a wrong usage exception. So now we've got our try catch statement, we can do our else statement as well. So we can do else add chat message, oops, capital M, and we're going to make our default value 5 blocks / 2472 going up 5 blocks, and then we'll do the same thing here. We're just going to copy this, we're going to paste that there, and we're just going to say 5. Now that we've done that, we can basically add our return statement in, and that will go here. That basically ensures that it doesn't send it to the server. So if I just go ahead and show you this, everything should work fine. In fact, I don't think it'll work this time because we put the check to see if it starts with the dash. But if we just move the whole function for the dash checking to go down to the bottom after all these other checks, I think it should be fine. But I don't think it will work right now. So, but we can test it anyway. So first, what I'm going to show you is, hopefully this works, dash up. No, that doesn't work because this if statement needs to be, to move this down. Right, but now if we try it, it should work fine because we moved it. Because it basically just goes in order from all the functions. That's how it works. So this way it ensures even if you don't type a valid command, it will still not send it to the server. So if you oh crap, like if you misspell mine or something, for example, like if you type in -mine, it will not send it to server. You can also add it to say like please enter a command or something like that. But for now we can do -up, and it will say it will do nothing. MC.thePlayer, oh, pause X, right, that's why, pause Y. That was my mistake. MC. I'm sure we've done the same mistake, yeah. So it would just be MC.thePlayer.set position old pause MC.thePlayer.old pause X MC.thePlayer.old pause y plus y mc dot the player dot old pos z, and that should be fine. And we're just going to copy this, and we're going to just paste it here, except that will be 5. Sorry about all these mess ups. It's just I've not done one of these in a while, man, and it just got put back on today, so yeah. But now hopefully everything should work and it should go up 5 blocks. Dash up. There you go. You can see dash up 100. Because it's a double, what we can do is going up plus int, and that basically just transforms y into an integer value, so it doesn't display the dot zero. I'll show you what that's like in case you're wondering. So we can do that again. We can do dash up 10, 100, and we can do dash up. Yeah. Please enter a valid number modifier. But if you didn't add that try catch statement, basically your game would just crash, because it wouldn't know how to teleport you up. It wouldn't understand what kind of number SFLWPHIJ is. So it would just crash. It really doesn't know what to do. Anyway, that's it about for this tutorial. It's basically the same for dash down, and it's the same for any other kind of things you want to do. For example, what kind of things we got here? Right, we've got super speed, right? What we're going to do is we're going to put a new public static in here. We're going to do public static float move speed is equal to 1.05 f. And basically what we're going to do is in GUI in game where we've got our speed value set up, we're going to change this to mods.move speed, and we're going to say string s is equal to /2472 r equals speed, and inside these brackets we're going to say plus float dot to string mods dot move speed plus and basically what that does is basically going to say it's going to tell you what your factor is. So it's going to say speed, and then it's going to display in the brackets what the factor of speed is, and I'll get that from move speed in here. So now what we can do is we can actually just use this kind of function. So I'm just going to copy it. I'm just trying to show you how you would use this. We're going to say if s starts with speed, if s ends with speed, we're going to say string value because s dot split, and we're going to say instead of double it's a float. We're going to say float speed is equal to float dot parse float, and that just changes that value into a float. And we're going to say instead of this we're just going to say mods dot move speed is equal to speed, and here we're just going to say Just gonna get rid of that. We're just gonna say speed. Is that wrong? It's not wrong, but it says it's wrong. Right. So, and then we're just gonna change this. We'll just say set speed factor to and speed. And we're gonna say we're just gonna keep our error the same, and we're just gonna say else set speed factor to default 1.05 f in brackets, and then just get rid of all this set position since that's only for the up command. We can change that to mods.speed move speed, sorry, move speed is equal to 1.05 f. Now if we're on our game, last example guys, I'll let you figure out the rest by yourself. Wait, what I forgot to do is right here where we've done this string s, we're just going to replace this with s. There we go. Because we've already got like our drawstring, like in the car thing, we've already got all that here, basically just building a string, and we're just putting it in there because it's easier that way. So, right, if we turn on speed, it'll be like, yeah, that's our speed right now. But we can just do dash speed 5, and that'll change that to 5, and this will make us go super fast, like completely faster. Another thing you should probably do, I did put this in an annotation in the video where we've done the movement modifiers, but you can change this to the land movement factors. We can change it to the jump movement factor, so that'll also give you extra distance on your jumps. But I really need to wrap this tutorial up. It's getting a bit lengthy, and I don't want it to go any further. So if you need any help, please leave a comment or a PM. Tell me what your problem is, and I can hopefully solve it for you. But that about does it for basic coding. Next episode, it will be part 1 of how to make a clickable GUI. So you can look forward to that. And yeah, thanks for watching guys. Please rate, comment and subscribe if you want to see more. And by the way, thanks for 54 subscribers. We've had like, we've been gaining subscribers like mad. It's crazy. We're actually up to 4 or 5 subscribers now. 54 subscribers and almost 1,000 views. So that means a lot guys. Thanks very much for thanks very much for subscribing guys. It really does. It's really good. Yeah. And only 3 dislikes and 89 likes. That's really amazing. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.